This is the Cabin Creek trailhead. You ready to go hiking? Yeah. Look at that water. Cabin Creek. Cabin Creek. Look at this. This is amazing. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. He's laying in it. Yeah, he's just, whoa, you good? He's just on the edge of it. He's like, I need a quick dip. You good, buddy? You ready to keep going? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bub. Come on, Bubba. Hudson. That's what he'd do. Now he's trying to find a stick. Come on. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Creek crossing. Is that good? Yeah.
So is it out and back, and how do we know when we make it to the end?
It's out and back. Oh, there's a waterfall like coming down up there. I think that it's that glacial water.
All right, now numb feet.
Yeah.
Good. Rename.
Ah!
They'll keep the regular name, but we'll change creek.
Look at that freaking tree. What about streams?
Or stream, yeah.
Yeah. What's the difference between a stream and a creek?
I'd vote with.
Hudson! He's in the danger zone. He just doesn't care. You fishing? Hi, Hudson. so cold. Oh my God, it's freezing. My feet are numb. You're like, it's not that cold. Yes, it is. It's cold. She lied.
When I first put my foot in it, it was fine.
So, here's a mushroom. Angela thinks it's edible, but she's not going to eat it.
I mean, am I?
Stick with the granola bar.
Because they grow out of burn stuff, so it might be, I don't know which ones it was.
I don't really know types of mushrooms.
I only know what I've seen in this one book that I have. That's it. One book.
What
I'm
do you?
gonna cut it off, not gonna.
It's fine. All right, go. Look at the clouds above the mountains up there. They're like moving pretty fast. Go, buddy. Come on. So we just walked through the river and then through this disgusting patch of ground that's all muddy. And we've kind of lost the trail. Like there doesn't seem to be one out here in this field. So I think we're gonna call that enough. We made it to a creek. We're in like 2.5 miles. I can't remember how long this trail is supposed to be, but this is a good stopping point.
It's still open on my ultras.
Oh, do you have it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 4.9
Oh,
miles.
then we made it.
We've gone farther.
We crossed the river.
We crossed the
We
river,
probably
found
weren't
it.
supposed to, but we did.
All right.
Come on, Huts.
Let's go take a nice
This is
walk back through the-
look what we're walking through. This is disgusting. She's going right through the middle of it. I'm not. I'm gonna go on the side. It sounds gross. Oh, Hudson, God, watch out, Angela! He's going for it. He's like, oh, we're how's that mud?
I made it. All right. Cool.
Ugh. Well, at least we get to rinse off in the river. That's what I look like
Then I
after.
covered up that my fucking
Yeah.
knee.
Yeah. That's what I look like yesterday. We gotta cross back over. Woo. Hi, buddy. Keep going. Oh. Woohoo! Hello. You waiting? That's good. We got our waterfall and the tree. Hi. Hi. Well. I'll say this is a little slippery.
It's not the safest to go up or down.
I'm gonna do it. Ah. We walked through a tree. That was fun.